Good morning, this is Misty Ralston, and this is another one of our FAQ sessions. So a lot of people will ask me what exactly is an estate plan. So an estate plan is a plan that covers a lot of contingencies beyond just who gets what, okay? Who gets what is definitely an important question, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Estate planning covers also what happens when you're incapacitated or disabled. Who's making sure that your bills are paid, that your assets are being managed if you can't do that? Who's making the medical decisions for you and can talk to your doctors just to find out how you're doing? So an estate plan covers all of that, okay? It covers guardianship. If you're the parents of a minor child, you want to make sure that you've got the short-term emergency situation covered. Who can be with your children overnight? Or for a short period of time if you need help. Who's going to be able to pick them up from daycare, from school, from practices if something were to happen to you? Who would raise them? That's long-term guardianship. An estate plan covers that piece, and of course, as I mentioned, estate plan covers who gets what, and you can use a will to say that. You might use a trust. You can check out some of our other FAQs on what is a will and what is a trust to learn more about those. But the important thing is to note that the estate plan is a comprehensive plan. It covers a lot of pieces, as we talked about, from incapacity and disability to passing away and what happens long-term after that. And if you've got a child who needs assets, someone else in charge of assets for them until they're mature, what does that look like? How does that happen? Also, the legacy component of estate planning really can't be underestimated. Your family's going to remember you by the videos you leave behind, by the letters that you write, not by the legal documents that are in your box. We need those. They need to be drafted. They need to be drafted well, which we do. But they're going to really care about the videos that we do, the legacy videos, letters that you may write and add into your box, photographs, hearing your voice, hearing your advice, hearing your thoughts on different things, maybe even things that you couldn't say to them face to face, but now you can put in a video and let them know how much you care. So the legacy component is just as important, if you ask me, as the legal documents. An estate plan covers all of those aspects. Finally, an estate plan is communication. There's nothing better than the ability to communicate with your loved ones. What you want, how you feel, what's important to you, how you feel about them. And that's what's going to keep your families out of court and conflict long term. And that's what most of us really want. We want to make sure that when we're gone, our family is able to stick together through thick and thin, have a relationship, and not have that relationship be burned by a lack of documents or something that's in the documents that they don't understand. Which is why I truly believe that having family meetings, letting them know what's going on, letting them know the reasons why you're doing things, while it may be uncomfortable, in the long run, it really is a gift to your loved ones after you're gone. So that's what an estate plan is. That's what we do here. And I look forward to meeting each and every one of you and helping you create the estate plan that's right for you and your family. Thank you.